Hello, in this video we are going to see a test to get all the options of a drop down. So what we are doing here, we are opening the page, clicking on the drop down link and then getting drop down element and then using the options property of the select element, select class, options property. So options property will return the all selected options of a dropdown. So let's see the flow on the website. Clicking on dropdown link, then this is the ID dropdown. Getting these options, not selected options, but all the options of a selected element. So let's run the program. Test is running. Browser instance created. Opening this site, clicking on the down link, and let's see the results. Here we can see this returns list of web elements, right? So options property returns list of web elements. If you let's see how many options are there. 1, 2, and then 3. Let me show you. So this one is first, second, and this one is third. In code, let's see the three options, right? 1, 2, 3. First is here, right? Now, if you want to print the values of each of the options, so let's iterate through these options and then print and logger its value. So opt dot get attribute. Yeah, opt, yeah. I think no. We have to get attribute. Yeah, tags also will work. So we are fetching the tags of each of the options, right? So let's run it. Let's run it. Opening the site, clicking on the link, and let's see the report. And here we have values, visible tags, option 1, option 2, please, right? So please select an option, option 1, option 2. And this is tags, and we can get the value of it as well. So that's value is equal to opt dot get attribute and then attribute name, that is value. So this way we will get the value of each of the option. We have only value here, so let's rerun the program again. This time using this get attribute method, we will get the value of each of the option as well. So test is running, the instance created, the name, and let's see the report. We get value and text both, right? So that's that's about get all options of a drop down. Thank you.